In this quick demo, I want to show you the principle behind BrowserPilot AI. Most AI tools still make you do a lot of extra steps. You find something useful online, then you copy it, open another AI tool, write a prompt, paste the content in, wait for the result, then copy it back to wherever you were working. BrowserPilot AI is designed to remove that friction. With BrowserPilot AI, you can highlight text directly on a page, right-click and choose a saved workflow and turn what you're reading into something useful right there and then. That could be an email, a summary, a social post, a book idea, a client audit, a content plan, or something specific to the type of work that you do. For this demo, I'm going to quickly run through 6 examples. We'll turn source text into a summary for a Facebook post, an affiliate promo email, a local business audit, a KDP book idea with angles, a LinkedIn post, and a tweet for X. So let's dive in, and we're starting on Facebook. And if I scroll down, here is a fairly long post that I want to summarize. So all I'm going to do is scroll back to the top of the post, highlight the post, scroll all the way down so I've got the whole thing. Then I'm simply going to right click, and from my drop down menu, AI where you work, this is BrowserPilot. All I need to do is choose the option that I want, which in this case is summarize. So I click on that and it will now go ahead and summarize that for me. It will take a moment or two. If I scroll up a little bit, you can now see it's finished thinking. This is our repurposed post. So I can simply copy all of that by highlighting it or just click on copy. I'm going to pop over to a Google Doc so I can paste this in and you can see the results. So I'll just right click, choose paste. And there we have a summarized version of that long post. So I can then use that for my own Facebook profile and post that wherever I want to. It's that quick and easy. Instead of having to head over to a separate AI tool, it's right there on the page where you're working. Okay, next we're going to do an example affiliate email, promotional email. Obviously, a lot of people in affiliate marketing promote software, courses, bundles, AI tools, and digital products. Normally they read through a sales page or JV page, then try to work out the best angle, subject line, opening hook, email structure, etc. Here I've got some source text explaining Browser AI, and all I'll do is scroll down and highlight the whole lot. And again, right click, choose AI where you work, repurpose, and I'm going to go down and choose the promo email, and it will go off and start thinking and working on creating our email for us. And once it's finished, the box will pop up. Let me just push this up so you can see more of it. Again, all I need to do is click on the copy button at the bottom here. So click on copy, move across to our Google Doc, and I'm simply going to paste, right click, choose paste, and I pasted in our email here with some subject line options, the body of the email, etc. So our promo email has been done really, really quickly, that simply, that easily, from just highlighting, right click, and choose the repurpose promo email option. For affiliates, this basically means the sales page, JV page, product description, or launch document can become a usable promo copy email much, much faster. Instead of having to pop across to ChatGPT or something like that, it's done there and then. Okay, let's scroll on down to the next example, which is for a local business audit. If you work with local businesses, you're often looking at websites, Google business profiles, service pages, reviews, and competitor pages. The job is to quickly spot what's working, what's missing, and what can be improved. Here's a simple local roofing business example. And again, all I'm going to do is scroll down and highlight it. So we've got the business description highlighted, and I can run the local audit workflow. All I need to do, right click, go to AI where you work, repurpose, choose local audit, and let it do its work. And it'll take just a moment to come up with our audit for us. And there it goes. BrowserPilot has turned that source text into practical audit notes. It can identify the business positioning, visible strengths, weak points, missing trust signals, local SEO opportunities, review opportunities, content ideas, and quick win recommendations. This could be used to prepare a discovery call, create a client audit, write a prospecting email, build your proposal notes, etc. All right here on the page. And again, I can simply scroll to the bottom, and I've got it off the page again. If I click on copy, I can take that across to my Google Doc, and we've got that ready to go as well. Basically, with BrowserPilot, your local business page goes in and useful audit and client recommendations come out. right. Okay, let's move on and scroll down to the next example, which is KDP book research. Again, I've got a section of text ready to go, and all I'm going to do is highlight all of it, right click, AI where you work, repurpose. I'm going to use book idea angles. I'm going to let it go away and do its thinking. And the idea here is this is suited for KDP authors, self-publishers, workbook creators, planner creators, low content booksellers, where you need ideas, angles, outlines, descriptions, and potential assets. Basically here we have some simple niche research around gardening for stress relief. A KDP publisher might read something like this and wonder what kind of book, workbook, journal, etc. they could create from it. So having highlighted it and run it through BrowserPilot, we've now got a set of possible book ideas, target readers, core problems and desires, positioning angles and reasons why each idea would work. Basically, it's a shortcut that you're using right here in your browser, AI where you work. And the same kind of workflow could be used for book outlines, Amazon descriptions, reader magnets, social posts, title ideas, etc. And again, all I'd need to do is copy this, take it across to my Google Doc or wherever else I want to use it, and it's ready to go. Okay, and next up, I've got a bit more content which we could use multi-platform basically, but this I'm going to use to create a LinkedIn post. Again, all I need to do is highlight the text that I'm interested in from wherever it is, right click, choose AI where you work, repurpose, and this time I'm going to go with LinkedIn hook post. Click the button and let it go away and do its work. So any content that you find wherever you happen to be browsing, you can take it and repurpose it for anything. This is a LinkedIn post version. It could be for Facebook, it could be for X, it could be a carousel, whatever you need. And again, all I need to do is click on copy and I can take this over to my Google Doc or into LinkedIn and post it immediately. So there's no delay. I'm getting my content repurposed and immediately able to use it. And as I said, you could use this for not just LinkedIn, Facebook posts, X posts, short email snippets, carousel outlines, short form video scripts, community posts, Reddit replies, newsletter blurbs, whatever you need. Another quick example on this one, the last one, again, right click, choose AI where you work, repurpose, and what I'm going to do is ask it to create a tweet. So I'll click on tweet this, it'll think about it for a moment or two, and it becomes with a tweet for me. Let's put that back on screen. So you've got a short tweet based on the content that I've highlighted. Click on copy, head straight across to X, paste it in, and we're done. This really is about speed of execution. Whatever you need to do with your content, you can get it done right in the browser window that you're in and use it immediately. The last thing that I want to show you in this quick demo is how you can add your own workflows into BrowserPilot. All you do is come to the icon at the top for the extension, click on it, and down here we have existing workflows that I put in. You can have as many as you want and you can tailor them to your own needs. And to add a new one, you simply click on Add Custom Prompt, put in a label, pop in your prompt, and click on Save All. It's that quick and easy to update BrowserPilot AI for your own needs and your own uses. In other words, BrowserPilot AI works for KDP authors, fiction writers, children book creators, local agencies, review managers, AI freelancers, affiliate marketers, digital product creators, PLR sellers, social media managers, short form video creators, YouTube operators, newsletter publishers, SEO bloggers, community owners, coaches, finance content creators, real estate marketers, whatever you do, it's going to speed things up. It removes friction. Instead of starting with a blank page, you have your tools right where you work. No friction, no jumping around between different tools and browsers, just speed of execution right here on the page. Grab your copy today and start working faster.